This is the elevator at the Fairfield Inn Suites in Sarasota, Florida. And look at that. This is either going to get like a renovation of some sort, of like possibly a mod. I don't know when this was installed, but who knows? This could be getting a mod. Okay, let's go 3. Well, this isn't even that old. This is a ThyssenKrupp. Or a Dover, I don't know. I don't get why they would be modding this, but yeah. I think this is a ThyssenKrupp, so technically this is the Fairfield Inn in Bradenton, Florida. Someone probably called it. So I'm going to give you a really quick look. Again, there's the call station. But now we've got to go down. Here's your certificate. I gotta get a cab like right now because they probably called it too, and they did. And I shut the door, whoever called it. Okay. So yeah, this is a ThyssenKrupp. Probably installed in 2002 or 2001 to 2005, that era.